Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss top 25 question on Indus Valley Civilization for all exam. 1. The Indus Valley Civilization was a part of which age? A. Paleolithic Age. B. Mesolithic Age. C. Neolithic Age. D. Bronze Age. Answer: D. Bronze Age. 2. The first site of the Indus Valley Civilization to be discovered was A. Mohenjo-daro. B. Harappa. C. Lothal. D. Dholavira. Answer: B. Harappa. 3. The Great Bath was found at which site? A. Harappa. B. Lothal. C. Mohenjo-daro. D. Rakhigarh. Answer: C. Mohenjo-daro. 4. Which metal was unknown to the Indus Valley people? A. Copper. B. Bronze. C. Iron. D. Gold. Answer: C. Iron. 5. The main occupation of the Indus Valley people was A. Hunting. B. Agriculture. C. Fishing. D. Trade. Answer: B. Agriculture. 6. Which river is associated with the Harappan civilization? A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Indus. D. Brahmaputra. Answer: C. Indus. 7. Which site is known as the Manchester of Indus Valley Civilization? A. Harappa. B. Mohenjo-daro. C. Lothal. D. Chanhu-daro. Answer: D. Chanhu-daro. 8. Lothal is famous for which structure? A. Great Bath. B. Dockyard. C. Granary. D. Fire altars. Answer: B. Dockyard. 9. The script used by the Indus Valley people was A. Pictographic. B. Brahmi. C. Devanagari. D. Kharoshthi. Answer: A. Pictographic. 10. The famous dancing girl statue of the Indus Valley Civilization is made of A. Copper. B. Bronze. C. Clay. D. Stone. Answer: B. Bronze. 11. The largest Harappan site in India is A. Dholavira. B. Rakhigarh. C. Lothal. D. Banwali. Answer: B. Rakhigarh. 12. The Indus Valley Civilization belongs to which period? A. 5000 से 4000 BCE. B. 4000 से 3000 BCE. C. 3300 से 1300 BCE. D. 1000 से 500 BCE. Answer: C. 3300 से 1300 BCE. 13. The famous granary was found at which site? A. Harappa. B. Mohenjo-daro. C. Lothal. D. Kalibangan. Answer: A. Harappa. 14. Which animal was not found on Indus Valley seals? A. Elephant. B. Lion. C. Horse. D. Rhino. Answer: C. Horse. 15. The Indus Valley Civilization was discovered in which year? A. 1901. B. 1921. C. 1931. D. 1941. Answer: B. 1921. 16. The main material used for making tools and weapons in the Indus Valley Civilization was A. Iron. B. Copper and bronze. C. Silver. D. Gold. Answer B. Copper and bronze. 17. Which site is known for fire altars? A. Harappa. B. Kalibangan. C. Lothal. D. Chanhudaro. Answer B. Kalibangan. 18. The presence of a dockyard at Lothal suggests what? A. Indus people were skilled in shipbuilding. B. Indus people worshipped water gods. C. Lothal was the capital of Indus civilization. D. Indus people had poor trade. Answer A. Indus people were skilled in shipbuilding. 19. What was the chief deity of the Indus people? A. Lord Vishnu. B. Pashupti, Proto-Shiva. C. Goddess Kali. D. Lord Indra. Answer B. Pashupti, Proto-Shiva. 20. Which Indus site is in Gujarat? A. Harappa. B. Mohenjo-daro. C. Lothal. D. Banwali. Answer C. Lothal. 21. Which modern-day country has the maximum number of Indus Valley sites? A. India. B. Pakistan. C. Afghanistan. D. Bangladesh. Answer A. India. 22. Which Indus Valley site had an artificial water reservoir? A. Mohenjo-daro. B. Dholavira. C. Lothal. D. Harappa. Answer B. Dholavira. 23. The Indus Valley civilization people had trade relations with? A. Egypt. B. Mesopotamia. C. China. D. Greece. Answer B. Mesopotamia. 24. Which Indus site had rice cultivation? A. Harappa. B. Lothal. C. Mohenjo-daro. D. Rangpur. Answer D. Rangpur. 25. What is the most remarkable feature of the Indus Valley civilization? A. Town planning. B. Religion. C. Art culture. D. Literature. Answer A. Town planning.